Okay. This morning we are off to Showgrounds. So we'll see what the state of the play is. So, I've got all my doors shut and everything. Okay. Bill's up there watching me go. Right. So yeah, off to the, as I say, off to the showgrounds, and see if there's any other combis there. Probably could be, but we never know. It's sort of like a mixed bag of everything. So we'll see how it goes. I think that's because it's tucked in, no? There's there, and there's that. And if you can spot us, right over there. So this is it. This is Meguiar'S car show at the ASB Showgrounds. Here's some interesting cars. The days of the good old Holdens. What? Here. Yeah.
Oh, yes. Sorry, boss.
That's better. Thank you.
I'm glad I got it out there. It's been in the garage for a while.
Oh gosh. Bloody curtains on it and all.
Yeah. They usually come with these white ones.
Yeah.
But it looked a bit like your grandma's knitting, you know? So I was like, you know what? There's a replacement, so I got that.
Yeah.
And, yeah, you can have a look. Yeah.
It's quite a neat car, eh?
It's got,
What year is it?
it's a 97.
97. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 97. Some of them come with a monitor, but I wanted the one with the, what is it, that clock?
Yeah.
You know, the analog clock. And
Yeah, it looks good with the
I'll
analog
show you a
clock.
little bit if you're interested. You got. Oh, you can go have a see if you want. Just
Oh, no, just have a look. Blimey.
It's got, you know, the tape for the CEOs to
Oh, my
keep
God.
their voice record memo, you know, voice
Yeah,
memos.
yeah.
So it's got that
Jeez.
tape thing, and it's got both sides massage chairs, recliners, and that thing. Oh, pop over the other side and show you.
Good God.
So if you have a look here, this seat goes down
Yeah.
and this seat goes forward,
Oh, my God.
and then it turns this seat's the CEO seat. It's full reclining, you know, not full reclining, sorry.
Yeah.
A little bit of recline, bit like stretch your legs. Yeah.
Good Lord.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
God,
And all the electrics are working.
there's more buttons on that than what there is on an A380. Gee.
Yeah.
Before you start off, do you go through a checklist? And
Pre-flight checklist.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get
Yeah.
some clearances on the way.
So is that economy class and business class thing? Shit.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
the rear
What?
seats are definitely.
What?
Oh yeah, that's a scratch actually.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I think so. Let's stop at this pier.
So there's some old and there's some new. There's some money here too.
Taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
Old Postman Pat.
There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel.
And it seems I can't go anywhere without these two people down here being everywhere I go. These two retrobrates down here.
Beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer.
And we join the traffic to go home. Now, I've got a question for you combi people that have got I think it's called a Supra camper with they're made in Australia, with the hatch like this. And I'll just show you, well, I better turn this around. So I've got my hatch in with the correct hinges there, but I want to lash it down in the front here. Now what I've done, don't think you notice of that, I just glued a washer on there because I was going to stick a magnet, one of these hooks on there. Didn't work on this side, just came off. I've got one up there and I've bungee cord it back to there and to the front to stop I want to stop this from lifting when travelling on the road. And I think that this looks so ugly. What have you put up here is like a catch, a latch or something to hold this in place. Because I'm not sure whether these are strong enough on their own. Love your suggestions.